So now, here's the really, really hard one. When you just sing and you just belt the note and we call it hard attacking. Like, you just like forcing the note. It is so detrimental on your voice. You don't want all that power without support of the air. So you got all that belting and you just keep singing. You'll see this a lot in some of the church singers. They just sing so hard. You'll see it with rock singers too, because they sing really with a lot of power, a lot of punch. So you want to be real careful that is not you. You want to have support. That is the reason you have to learn how to breathe properly. When you breathe properly, then you have the support that you need. So if you're going to attack a note with a lot of power, you have the support to do it with. If you don't have your air down pat, then it is going to be a vocal problem for you. It's a problem. It's a bad habit. So don't be pushing too much. All right?